Hi folks, today we're going to work with keyframes. I've got a bit of text on there, so I want it to move around. So you can use keyframes for all sorts of things. You can use it for text, for items, for things on your timeline, down on the very bottom. And you can see the keyframe down there on the play menu bar. Looks like a little diamond shape next to the full screen. So what I'm going to do is add a keyframe there. And click on the text, move it to whole. And that's the timeline. The video clip. Got the keyframe there. And to move the text over, because we clicked on the keyframe, it's added another one there. You see the little orange line on the text timeline. And we're going to, oh, I moved the wrong thing. To move it up to there, and you can see another keyframe in there. And then we moved it to the top left hand corner. So let's watch this play. So you can, I don't know what happened there. So what we can do is when it gets to there, we can bring it down and we can expand it. That was a bit more interesting, wasn't it? So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to see the next one. Thanks for watching.